Adam here again with this 2005 Toyota Prius. Hey, it's Adam, and I've got my 2005 Toyota Prius here, except for it's not really mine anymore, it's my parents'. We gave it to them. And you're probably wondering how it's been doing, because it's been over 4 years since I swapped out the batteries with some refurbished batteries from Electron Automotive. And drove it around today with my wife, and it worked great. So, I mean, we're at 4+ years on those refurbished cells. We replaced all the cells, not just the 1 or 2 that may have been bad. And it's looking good, so I don't know how many more years it will last. Obviously the batteries don't have infinite, lifespans, but pretty excited that it's still going strong. So I figured I'd give you an update because it's been over 3 years since I gave you an update. So there you go.